Morning everyone. Welcome to English class. Today's topic is phrasal verb. Phrasal verbs are usually two-word phrases. Phrasal verbs are phrases that indicate action. They are generally used in spoken English and informal English. Now, formation of phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is made up of a verb plus particle. A particle can be preposition or adverb or both. For example, woke up. Here woke is verb and up is particle and the phrasal verb is woke up. Now, when you use the same verb with different particles, the meaning changes. For example, put off. Here, put is verb, off is particle and the phrasal verb is put off. The meaning is to postpone. Put on. Put on means to cover your body with clothes. So, when you use the same verb with different particle, the meaning changes. There are three types of phrasal verbs. Number one, phrasal verb which are made up of verb plus adverb. Example, we sat down and waited. Here sat is verb and down is adverb and the phrasal verb is sat down. Next, phrasal verb which is made up of verb plus preposition. For example, the child fell into the water. The phrasal verb is fell into, fell is verb and into is preposition. Then, third type of phrasal verb, a phrasal verb which is made up of verb plus adverb and preposition both. Example, we must face up to the possible consequences of his action. Here, verb is face, then up, adverb and to preposition. Now you can see here, question C, what is the meaning of these phrasal verb? First one is make up. What is its meaning? Be friendly again after a quarrel. You can make sentence like, we had a quarrel, but now we had made it up. Then make way, meaning to improve. Make over, meaning to transfer title of. Make out means to understand clearly. Example, this question I couldn't make out. Make off means leave hurriedly and make do means manage with something that is not satisfactory. Now see question D. Verbs are given. There are 4 verbs. We have to add particles in these verbs to make it phrasal verb. Particles can be adverb, preposition or both. First one is close. The phrasal verb is close down. We have added the particle down with close. What is the meaning of this phrasal verb? Close down means stop working. Example or sentence, he wants to close down his business. Second is part. The phrasal verb is part with. Its meaning is hand over. Number 3, pick. We have added the preposition. We have added up with pick and the phrasal verb is pick up. Its meaning is increase. Sentence can be, the train began to pick up speed. Last one is take. Take off. Take off means leave hastily. The plane was able to take off once the runway was clear. So that was all about phrasal verb. Thank you.